and we will not cut Social Security, Medicare, or Medicaid.
But not touching Medicaid could threaten the president's agenda because the math isn't adding up. The big picture, Republicans want to find trillions of dollars in spending cuts to pay for things like tax breaks and mass deportations.
And now we're going to pass the largest tax cuts in American history, and that's where we're relying on Mike and John.
But the House budget resolution requires the Energy and Commerce Committee to find $880 billion in savings. And if you set aside Medicare and Medicaid, the committee oversees a total of just $581 billion. So it's mathematically impossible without cutting hundreds of billions out of Medicare or Medicaid. And the politics of Medicare, which covers seniors, are too dangerous even for Trump. So his allies are targeting Medicaid. Medicaid provides health insurance to Americans with low incomes, as well as some older adults, pregnant women, and people with disabilities. In 2023, it covered nearly 4 in 10 children, 1 in 6 adults, and almost half of adults in poverty. Critics of cutting Medicaid, mainly Democrats, say it would harm low-income Americans, as well as hospitals that rely on its funding. Medicaid cuts would also put swing district Republicans in a politically precarious position. But abandoning those cuts would anger hardline conservatives who voted for the budget to begin the process only because they were promised steep spending reductions, and they could take the whole thing down.